Hey everyone, for today's tech tip of the day, did you know that there are keychain-sized breathalyzers that you can pick up for yourself or a loved one? This is called the C6 from BACtrack. That's BAC, or blood alcohol concentration. Of course, the legal limit's usually 0.08, and this will just give you an idea, an accurate look at what your BAC levels are about 20 minutes after you drink or eat. You simply press and hold the button, and there's an app as well, which I'll show you. But it counts it down after it's warming up. It gives you a 5-second count, and you blow for 5 seconds, and you'll hear how it sounds. Here we go. I don't know if you heard that, but there's like a high-pitched tone, and it'll quickly assess what my BAC levels are. It should be 0.00, maybe a bit blurry, but that's the idea. And then there's an optional app element as well, and this gives you a deeper dive into that data as well. But really great idea. Under $70 US or under 90 Canadian. Again, it's the C6 from BACtrack. Wishing you a very happy and healthy and safe holiday season.